What's up, Xiaomi fans? It has been a week since I got this Redmi Note 10 Pro, and this phone is truly a mid-range beast. But it's not perfect though, so stick around for the full review. Let's go! I did an unboxing and first impression, you can check that here. First things first, let's talk about its design. First thing I noticed on the phone is its weight. It is light, lighter than most phones today and only 193 grams and thin as well at only 8.1 millimeter, which is very surprising how they fit the 5020 milliamp hour battery. The back is a 3D curved glass and is reflective, and since it is glass, you have fingerprints everywhere. That is why I do keep the cover on. Although this phone comes with an AMOLED screen, which I'll talk more about later, it does not have the in-screen fingerprint sensor, but instead a side-mounted fingerprint sensor to unlock the phone. It is slightly lower than most phones, which is very convenient to reach and unlock the phone. And the Redmi Note 10 Pro supports 4G dual SIM and a micro SD slot. I like how the camera panel looks. It is clean and does not look bulky. Although the camera panel looks so elegant at the side, but it makes the phone uneven when you put it down on a flat surface, and even with the cover on. Alright, now let's look at the rear camera. We have the 108 megapixel wide-angle camera main shooter that takes great crisp photo even when you zoom it in. And you can also do a 2x zoom while on the 108 megapixel mode. We also have the 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, which shoots 118 degrees field of view. And the 5 megapixel macro lens for awesome macro shots. And also the 2 megapixel depth sensor for great background blur. And here are some more photo as well as video samples. And this phone is equipped with great features, and it's too many to mention in just one video. So I'm actually currently compiling or shooting a video that would focus on the camera features, especially those fun features. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit on that bell icon to get notified once I upload that video. Fun features like low exposure mode with 6 effects like moving crowd, oil painting, neon trails, light painting, and so much more. You also have photo clones, video clones, dual video, video macro mode, and much more. And now for its front camera, we have the 16 megapixel dot display camera, and the dot is smaller than ever. The pictures have auto beautify effect, but you can always turn it off. And the pictures could sometimes become oversaturated, especially when you're taking it under the sun. It has great video quality though, and with a stable shot while handheld. I would say this phone is not bad for vlogging. And this phone also has some easy editing software preloaded. Although you can point and shoot great photos, but also you can make it better with a few editing options. Alright, let's move to the next key feature of this phone, which is the display. It has a 6.67 inches AMOLED dot display screen. The dot is smaller than ever. Resolution is 2400 by 1080 Full HD Plus with 395 ppi. And it has some great peak brightness of 1200 nits. It supports HDR10 and refresh rate of 120 Hz. Touch sampling rate of 240 Hz, and also it has the reading mode 3.0, sunlight mode of 2.0, and it's certified eye care display by SGS. The top and the side bezel are similar to the Redmi Note 9 Pro, but the bottom bezel is now thinner compared to its predecessor. And one of the best features is the smart screen. The screen is so smart that it can bring just the right amount of brightness. The 360 degrees light sensor can adjust brightness levels automatically. Regardless of bright light, low light, or backlight, the screen always provides optimal brightness for the ultimate reading experience. And if you're enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe. That will be awesome. I'll be posting videos about Xiaomi products, a lot of Xiaomi products actually, and you can also follow me on social media for my Instagram and Twitter. I have the link in the description below, and also you can follow me on Mi Community. Mi Community is a forum for Xiaomi users all around the world, so you can post your questions if you will learn more about your phone or Xiaomi products or news from Xiaomi. Definitely that is the best place to check out. So make sure you download or you can just use your browser to go to the Mi Community. I have a link on the description below, so do check it out. And moving along to its performance, the Redmi Note 10 Pro is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G with 8nm processing technology. It is powered by Qualcomm Adreno 618 GPU, which is great for gaming or just everyday use. So for my games, it is smooth and it can handle anything I throw at it. And officially, this is now my gaming phone. Let's check out the benchmark scores. As for the storage option, you can choose between the 6GB RAM 64GB memory, 6GB RAM 128GB memory, 8GB RAM and 128GB memory, and UFS up to 2.2 for the 8GB RAM variant. And it's also NFC capable, especially here in the UK. You just have to tap. You can hardly use your cash in here. So NFC is one of the great features that I'm looking forward for each phone. And the Redmi Note 10 Pro has a long battery life with a 5020 mAh, and I would say battery life of up to 2 days with normal use. On paper, using the 33-watt fast charger, 59% charge in just 30 minutes. And to add, it has dual speakers with high resolution audio. The Redmi Note 10 Pro has an IP rating of IP53, which is splash resistant, and it is preloaded with the MIUI 12 based on Android 11. And truly, this is the new mid-range boss. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing more videos on this Redmi Note 10 Pro. And also, if you have questions, you can feel free to comment down below. This has been Christian from All About Me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.